Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, our health and wellness. So today we are going to discuss about very short answer type questions of conservation of plants and animals. तो सबसे पहले हमारा क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, which gas in the atmosphere is utilized by the trees and plants in photosynthesis? तो आंसर is obvious, that is carbon dioxide. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, विच गैस इन द एटमॉस्फेयर ट्रैप्स द हीट रेज रिफ्लेक्टेड बाय द अर्थ? द आंसर इज सेम, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है आपका, राइट वन वर्ड फॉर द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट इज वेराइटी ऑफ प्लांट्स. एनिमल्स एंड माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स जनरली फाउंड इन एन एरिया. तो एक वर्ड में जो ये पूरा सेंटेंस हम एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, दैट इज बायोडाइवर्सिटी. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है आपका, व्हाट नेम इज गिवन टू दैट पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ इन विच लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स एग्जिस्ट और विच सपोर्ट्स लाइफ? दैट इज बायोस्फीयर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेम द 3 टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज विच हैव बीन ईयरमार्क्ड बाय द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ. तो ये हो जाते हैं आपके, फर्स्ट इज बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज एंड नेशनल पार्क्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, name one wildlife sanctuary and one national park which are contained in Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. So that is Bori Sanctuary and Satpura National Park. Next question is, name any 5 threatened wild animals which are protected and preserved in our wildlife sanctuaries. तो ये हो जाते हैं यहाँ पे हमारे ब्लैक बक, वाइट आइड बक, एलिफेंट, गोल्डन कैट, पिंक हेडेड बक. Question 7 is, for what purpose are the national parks in our country established? National parks हमारी कंट्री में क्यों establish करे गए हैं? Obviously to protect flora and fauna, to protect wild animals and plants, to protect landscape, to protect historic objects. Question 8 is, name the first reserve forest of India. The first reserve forest of India is Satpura National Park. Question 9 is, name the objects of historical significance found in Satpura National Park. So these are rock shelters and rock paintings. Question 10 is, name 2 animals which have vanished from Satpura National Park and 2 animals which are still found there. So the answer is wild buffalo and Barasingha have vanished and tiger and gaur are still found in Satpura National Park. Question 11 is, what name is given to these species that are on the verge of vanishing from the earth? So those are called endangered species, and the species that have died out completely are extinct species. Question 12 is, name the publication which contains record of all the endangered species, plants and animals. That is Red Data Book. Question 13 is, name any 5 endangered species of animals listed in the Red Data Book of India. So these are flying squirrel, Indian giant squirrel, Barasingha, black buck, Himalayan musk deer. Question 14 is, what is the answer to deforestation? So the answer to deforestation is reforestation. Question 15 is, name the various old paper products which can be recycled. So the paper products which can be recycled is old newspaper, magazines and books. Question 16 is, how many full grown trees are needed to make 1 ton of paper? There are 17 full grown trees are needed to make 1 ton of paper. Question 17 is, state one way in which we can reuse the paper. By using both sides of paper is a way in which we can reuse the paper. Next are the fill in the blanks. Option A is Deforestation increases the level of dash in the atmosphere. So deforestation increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. B option is species found only in a particular area are known as dash species. So these are the endemic species. A place where animals are protected in their natural habitat is called wildlife sanctuary. Satpura National Park is a part of Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. Red Data Book contains a record of endangered species. Migratory birds fly to faraway places because of climatic changes. In reforestation, the planted trees should be generally of same species which are cut down in that forest. Paper can be recycled from 5 to 7 times.